Hi, and welcome to Neo Just Makeup. I'm Neo, and today this anime makeup look is inspired by Cosmo from the Fairly Odd Parents. Um, I said it on Wednesday that I was a big fan of the Fairly Odd Parents. I saw someone who did a Cosmo and Wanda look where it was just pink, green liner, and green under the eyes. I'm like, no, 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 no. If you're gonna do Fairly Odd Parents, if you're gonna do Cosmo and Wanda, you have to separate them, except for like a little accent here and there. Anyway, I love how this came out. I honestly I love both of them. If I had to choose my favorite though, I had to choose this one because this glitter is amazing. I didn't have a green glitter that looked well on for this one. So, yeah, that's why there's no glitter. I'm gonna stop rambling and I'll let you get into the video. Okay, so let's get started. And I already took care of my Wanda eye, so now I just need to take care of Cosmo. And for that today, well, if you saw the Wanda video, you know I already took care of my eyebrows, set everything. And today we're going to be using the Sephora Pro palette. Okay, to start off, we're going to take the shade Jeffrey right here and just put that just above the crease. Okay, so now we're going to take the shade right here, Helen P, and put that just below to deepen, along with a little bit of Sean, which is that teal color, 2 colors over. Taking my Sephora Collection number 10 brush, just going to blend. Deepen just a little bit more. I'm going to go back in with more of Sean, which is that teal, on my Sephora Collection number 10 brush, and just, yeah, slightly deepening. Just to re-soften everything, I'm going to go back in with that first shade, Jeffrey. Okay, so now for all over the lid, we're going to take the shade Julie T, or Juliet, I don't know which one it is. Actually, what I want to do is I want to take the shade Grass and then top it with Julie T. Because grass is just such a pretty green. Before I go in with Julie T, just going to blend this out. Honestly, you could just leave it like this because this is kind of Cosmo. But I really want some shine. So. Okay, and I know you might be thinking, okay, but this eye looks so much shinier. That's because I had to use a liquid eyeshadow to get the color I needed. The liquid eyeshadow that is this color, or a green that I would use, would be too dark. So I had to go with these. This one, I was lucky. So I'm going to now add a wing on this eye using Pink Coffin by Wet n Wild. And like I said in the Wanda video, I'm going to do a green liner on this side, so that way it's reversed. Anyway, I'm going to go take care of that, put on my whole face, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that we have everything on, I'm going to take care of the under eye. And I'm mainly going to follow the same colors that I put on top on the bottom. Okay, so now, just blending it out. So now I'm going to take Emerald from the Alchemist palette and just pop that right in the inner corner. For the waterline, I'm going to be taking my Marc Jacobs highliner in Peridot. Okay, so this is the point where the two tutorials mix together because I will now be putting on my Lash Renegade mascara, and then I'll be taking care of my lips. So I kind of need to do it together. And now we're gonna move on to the lips. So for lipstick today, I'm actually going to be using two, obviously. One is Rhea by LA Splash. The other one is, this is Prismatic Touch by Milani. And I'm gonna try to blend them together. Try is the key word here. Okay, I actually really like that lip. Just gonna, yeah. I think the lip looks fun. And now I'm going to set my face, let down my hair, and I'll be right back. Okay, and here we are with the finished look, and I love how this turned out. I love just like the whole green and like subtlety of pink, and I honestly love how this turned out. Oh my gosh. I do want to say, like I said in the Wanda video, I did grow up watching Fairly Odd Parents, and I did love it when I was growing up. I did lose traction watching the show when I grew up, but that was just because of different things, and partially because of Steven Universe. Joking. But yeah, it's one of those shows I could probably go back and watch the older episodes and still like quote it word for word. Like, I used to love it that much. So I am glad to pay homage to it as it is entering its last year. And yeah, I know today's the last day with this one, so I do want to say, Butch Hartman, if you're watching, thank you for creating something that was part of my childhood that I loved, as well as Jenny Phantom. And yeah, I think that was the two shows that I really watched from you. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see me and if you like me and you want to see more, please do subscribe and click that little bell button, because every time I release a new video, you'll get a notification. Aside from that, I don't know what to say, so thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!